Welcome to Mishna, studying Masechet Pesachim, Perek Gimal Mishnah Dalet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss kneading dough on Pesach, baking matzot on Pesach. So back then, in the times of the Talmud, Halacha allows it. We don't do it today, but they would bake matzah on Pesach. And this Mishnah is going to speak how to do so, right? And being careful that the dough doesn't become chametz. Rabban Gamliel omer shalosh nashim nashot ka'achat ve'ofot b'tanur echad zo achar zo. Zo achar zo. Right? Rabban Gamliel says 3 women, they could all go ahead and make dough. They can knead dough, bake in one oven, one after the next, and 3 women could work on dough at the same time. And even though the first person is putting the dough in the oven first, then the second one, and only after that the third, it's still enough time where we don't have to worry, and that third woman's dough is not going to become chametz. But Chamim omrim, no. Chamim say shalosh nashim asekot bebatzek. Achat lasha, ve'achat orechet, ve'achat ofa. Right? Chamim say, look, you need to stage it. You need to have it. One of them is kneading the dough. Another one is, is braiding it, setting it. And the third one, and the other one, the last one, is baking. Right? And when that woman finishes baking, so the woman who is setting the dough and braiding it, she'll put hers into the oven, and that the person who's baking now will start again to knead the dough, right? And it keeps going in stages in this type of process where each one is filling in for the starts after the other one finishes, and that way you could go ahead and there's some type of rotation round robin as they're baking. Rabbi Akiva comes now, responds to the Rabban Gamliel, and says, not all of the women, they don't work at the same pace, right? Not all the wood is the same. Some wood is drier and heats up the oven faster. Not all the ovens are equal, right? Some preserve the heat up faster. This is the rule, right? When you're going ahead and doing this, when you have these 3 women working at once, you have to actually hit it, keep on kneading it, and sprinkle cold water on it, and this will prevent it from rising. And Rambam says, actually at the end of this Mishnah, that any time that the hands are working the dough, it does not become hametz. And he even says, even if you waited the entire day, if you keep on kneading the dough, it does not become chametz according to Rambam, even the entire day. Other Rishonim argue on this and say, no, there's a limitation of how long, you could be kneading dough for without it becoming chametz. But Rambam, as he mentioned, and halacha is like hacham, right? That 3 women, but they need to stage it, right? One person kneading, one person braiding it, setting it, and the next person baking.